Hi, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Alex. You may know us from Gay and Trying.
But today we're here with Tasty for the ultimate culinary crash course.
We'll learn basic cooking skills, then get tested as the challenges get harder every round.
Oh, there's more. I thought it was that. This has no smell. What am I supposed to do with this?
Like that.
We earn points along the way, and at the end, one of us is gonna earn Tasty's respect.
And the other one?
Absolutely nothing.
On a scale of 1 to 10, my culinary expertise fall at a -2 or 3. It's bad.
I would say I'm slightly better. I would say maybe like a 4 or 5, but like I'm not gonna like claim to be an expert.
You can
However,
make a steak.
I can make a lot of mistakes.
No, you can make steak.
Oh, I can. I've done that once or twice.
Bring in Kelly.
Okay, for the first round, I'm gonna show you 3 basic knife skills that every chef should know. I'm gonna show you one time, and then you have to replicate it, and then I'm gonna judge you on it. All right, first I'm gonna chop an onion, okay? This is the root, it's intact. Chop this off. We're gonna cut it this way. Okay, so now we have 2 halves and an even cutting surface. We're gonna take the knife from root to tip and make vertical cuts down.
Root to tip.
Okay? These vertical slices need to be the same width. Now we're gonna take the knife and slice it right down the middle, and then we're gonna go back this way. All right, when you're cutting, it's very important that you have a claw. We can't have you lose any fingers today.
It's very Lady Gaga coded.
Back the other way. Now, see the claw?
Yep.
So the knife can never hit my finger because it's always gonna hit the claw.
Oh.
So it's never gonna chop off. This is the size you want. See how it's like all pretty even?
Yeah. I'm starting to cry. I'm starting to cry. I'm gonna say this knife test I'm a little nervous about because my thumb was cut off when I was 2 years old, so.
Cut off?
Yeah, Mom.
I'm looking at it.
Yeah, but they sewed it back on, do you see?
Yes. What happened?
My mom. It was an accident.
She chopped your finger?
Yeah, it was an accident. It's okay.
Now here's what I will say. I do have a history of losing parts of my body on set, so I'm not looking forward to this.
This one's tough. Now we're gonna julienne a carrot.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna cut it on the bias, get rid of the little tip, in even slices. On the bias.
I'll remember this by Julian looks like a carrot chip.
Now that you have your flat carrot chip, we're gonna make even slices the other way.
What?
You're gonna cut an 1/8 of an inch on the bias and an 1/8 of an inch the other way. Okay, see? Nice, even slices.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, garlic.
Oh, I know how to do this.
Right.
You take-
So now we're gonna mince the garlic. Ready?
That was incredible.
Now we're just gonna chop it. See how small it is and even? That's what I want, okay? Just like that. All right, let's bring in our cutting boards and get started for round 1.
Here we go. Kelly had so much confidence with her knife.
Yeah, do you?
Did you hear that noise? Ooh! Okay.
The drama.
Okay, she said something about a claw, like this, maybe. Nope. I think you're doing yours wrong. I think she did this.
Finishes first gets an extra point.
Oh my God, what? Okay, so it is a race. Okay, well my claw technique's not amazing. Are you left-handed?
No.
You're just really encroaching on my space here, like.
Hey Alex, you have to use both hands to cut the onion.
Okay, so I'm remembering the claw technique, but my fingers are kind of alien-like and they're creeping out of this claw. Oh no, her knife did not look like this. Are you allowed to do a little like extra like this?
Done.
And then do we,
Put it in the bowl.
Oh, there's more. I thought it was that.
oh my God, I'm crying so much.
What the hell?
I'm doing this wrong, opposite order. Oh,
He's having a crisis,
yeah,
guys.
this part is hard.
I'll be honest, my knife cuts like aren't super even, and that's just gonna be how the cookie's gonna crumble on this one.
I mean, just kidding about that. Okay, so my garlic does have carrots, but it's for seasoning.
Who's done? Who's done?
Kelly!
Knives down. You guys are very messy. Look at this. Look at this mess. What's this? This is round piece.
Let me see it. It's not even in
Eat
there
it.
anymore.
This is very uneven in the onion. These are very thick.
What?
She's thin but wide. So
Same.
on it. And this, you have onion and carrot and garlic in here.
That's for taste. That's for taste.
You guys did a good job for doing this for the first time. I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna give you a 2.5 out of 5. You keep a nice station.
Thank you.
A nice workstation. There's some uneven pieces, but this looks pretty good. These are a little too thick. And the garlic, you have carrot juice on your garlic.
Now,
Your garlic is tinted
I don't know
orange.
how to avoid that.
Wipe your knife. I think you did a good job though. I'll give you a 3.5 out of 5.
Period!
Okay, for round 2, a chef needs a good sense of taste and smell. So we're gonna have you name these spices by smell alone, and for each one you get right, you get a point. And Dylan, you're first. If you cheat again, I'm taking points off.
Now, I have really bad ADHD and I did forget to take my Adderall, so sometimes it just, things happen that are out of my control.
Ready?
No.
Here we go. It's near your nose.
There's a lot of fragrance. It's very fragrant. My guess here is thyme.
Okay.
This has no smell. What am I supposed to do with this?
Most people would.
Clove. My guess is clove.
Okay.
This is the yellow one. This is a curry spice. Am I allowed to just say curry spice, or is there a specific one?
You can say that.
I think this is a curry.
This is your 4th one.
Oh, joy.
Guess in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rosemary. It's not. Oh, it's so dark. Is this saffron? No, that's not true. It's smoky. This is paprika.
Last one.
This one feels brown to me. Oh, it smells like Pirates of the Caribbean. Girl, I'm like, I need to smell it again.
You said no.
I feel like that's his way of cheating.
It's not.
To taste it?
It's not.
It's in my throat now.
Cumin.
You got 2 out of 6.
And
So
I'll
you
be
got
honest-
2 points.
And I'll be honest, way better than I thought was gonna go.
So I'll hand you the first one.
Okay.
No touching.
You cannot taste it.
Not touching it? I
You
can't put my
taste-
tongue in there?
No, sir. Don't taste it or touch it. Only smell.
It's something green. Well, taco seasoning. Final answer. I'm an Aquarius, so I'm very decisive.
That's good.
This smells like something that would be in tea. I'm gonna say lemon zest.
3rd one.
This has no scent at all. Or like it's a whisper of something.
Yes.
I'm gonna say Italian seasoning.
4th one.
Yes, this is without a doubt paprika. How many are left?
2.
2? Allspice. What's that thing that tastes like licorice that people use and they're like, I love this? Fennel. This is fennel. Or something in the fennel family, like licorice.
Last one.
Okay. Salt? Guys! Final answer? Allspice. How many did I get?
0.
No! Were any of them close?
No.
What?
No! What we're gonna make appears relatively simple, but we're gonna make a classic French omelet. And the trick is getting that perfect custardy center with like an even yellow color. And then I'm gonna judge you out of 10.
Great.
So that's gonna, either of you, it's a nail biter, either of you could win. It's all gonna come down to this. So obviously, we're starting.
Real eggs.
All right, we're just cracking 3 eggs.
Okay.
Now we're gonna whisk them. So remember how I said it has to be like one even color? That's how you have to beat the eggs really well so the whites and the yolks are incorporated. So we're gonna strain it. You need butter. It needs to be foamy when you add the eggs.
The butter needs to be foamy.
Yes,
I
because
didn't
then
even
you
know
know
butter could be foamy.
then you know the pan's hot enough.
I'm excited to see what foamy butter looks like.
Okay, see how it's starting to foam?
Yeah.
See how feel hot?
Yeah, it's so hot.
Okay, we're gonna add the eggs.
Okay.
Now this is where you have to work fast.
What?
Okay? Immediately start going in the center, stirring it up, shake the pan. So see how I'm like taking it on and off the heat because I don't want it to get any color on it. I don't want any brown. I want it to be a pale yellow color. See how the edges are like starting to release from the pan like that?
Yeah, yeah.
But the top still looks a little wet. So now we start rolling. Okay, so it's easier if you hold the pan like this. Start folding over. A little at a time. And see how the pan's helping me
Yeah.
roll it? Now you're gonna take your pan and flip it.
Oh my God.
And now to really make it look glossy, we're just gonna brush it with a little more butter.
This one's not for the gym goers.
And then just a little bit of chives. No, it's not. This is a very decadent, rich breakfast. So the most important thing, it looks gorgeous, but we also want it to have a soft custardy center. See how it's like a little custardy and soft in the center? You wanna try it?
Yeah, so bad.
Okay.
We feed each other, Kelly.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I don't want to ruin a moment.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Can you do it?
I want to learn so bad.
Ready,
Ready.
set, begin.
What the hell, Alex? Cracking an egg.
Cracking an egg is-
Cracking it right into this little guy right here.
Cracking an egg makes me nervous because, well, so like, what was that, you know? Wait,
Yeah.
I'm noticing these eggs are not cold. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait, she was kind of doing this, huh? Light and fluffy. Color it, color it, color it. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
3 minutes.
Oh, she didn't teach us how to light the stove.
You weren't paying attention.
Oh! All right. I need the knife. You can't hog the knife the whole time.
Sorry.
Oh, is it on? You turned mine off!
Didn't touch it. Can I get confirmation I did not touch it?
So, in doing the French cooking, when
Oh,
you,
go cut it out.
how come yours is doing that already? You have enough, I need more butter. You cannot rush French cooking. Sorry, can't help it, I love an accent. Let me push it around, don't let it start to get brown on the edges. Should this really only take 2 minutes? That can't be true. This is very stressful. Okay, now mine is just gathering in the middle, so. Mine's just a little soupy, and I feel like that's not, custardy and soupy are very different. Okay. You use gravity to your advantage. You roll it, you roll it, you roll
30 seconds.
Done.
like that. With a little of this.
I never saw Alex add salt to his eggs, so I'm feeling really good about mine right now.
Which one's mine and which one's Dylan's?
A for effort.
Yeah, Dylan's is blue.
Why did you look at me?
Okay, appearance. You tried. For a second.
Certainly.
And you know what? I love that there's no color on it. There's no browning. No, that's good.
Oh.
It's supposed to be
Yeah, yeah.
one color, no browning,
Yeah.
and even yellow color.
Okay.
So you nailed that. You tried here too. It's one color. You got the roll better.
Mm-hmm.
I think yours just wasn't set enough when you started to roll. But I think you would have gotten it if you let it cook just maybe like 30 seconds longer.
Right, we had no time.
No, it isn't.
Okay.
Not a lot of custard going on there. I can admit that.
It needs more salt.
Has none.
No.
Absolutely no salt in there.
Did you add salt?
Yes.
How did? Well, you'll see.
Alex's is more tender. Like this part is a little chewy and bouncy, and it shouldn't be. It should be like melty like butter. If this had salt, you would have definitely won. So I'm gonna give you a 7, a solid 7.
I feel as though that is fair.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a little too runny,
Depends on
and the texture's a little firm. I'm gonna give this a 6.5.
fair.
So the winner is, I've added all the totals, Dylan. Congratulations.
I feel the respect has been glowed on. I'm really excited that I beat Alex at something because if you know Alex and I at all, it is always a nightmare with me and he. I'm grateful that the tables were turned. The turns have been tabled.
The turns have been tabled. Well done. Be sure to check out Gay and Trying. You can find us over there.
Bye.
Bye.